Good morning, YouTube. First of all, guys, I want to thank you all for the crazy love that we had in the last video. We got around almost 4,000 likes in about like 3 weeks. So guys, a big thank you for all of you guys watching, all the subscribers, all the thumbs up. I truly freaking appreciate it, guys. So over here, we have something that I spoke of in the latest video. I said that we're gonna be having a new gun coming. A gun that I've been waiting for a bit of time now, ladies and gentlemen. This is an Izhmash Saiga-9EXP. Now, let's open this up and see what are the contents in it. So, here we go. So, these are the contents of the box right here, ladies and gentlemen. You have the firearm, you have the magazine, and you have an oiler, disassembly kit, and whatnot in there. So, and also manual right here. Let me just see if I can push this. There we go, that's better. So, let's talk about what's going on here. I'm gonna actually grab all the contents from the box and just lay them out on this mat here, guys. So, give me a moment. Alrighty, so these are the contents that were in the box, the card box that you guys probably previously saw. So, over here we have a bit of a manual, just a run through, like a rundown manual of how to disassemble the gun and whatnot, all the good stuff about it. I think it's all in Russian. I believe it's all in Russian. Yeah, it's definitely all in Russian. Okay, so we're not going to be understanding much of that, but we know the basics of this gun pretty well. So warning right there. Okay. So that's just a Russian manual for the gun. Over here we have an oiler right here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you guys can see it too well, but we have this little piece of paper. I am not sure why this is here, but it's there. If you guys know what this is, please let me know because I am confused about this. I don't know what this is. We had this little charging handle protector right here. It was with the gun. It was attached to it. We have a cleaning rod over here. There you go. And we have a disassembly kit like most AKs come with. This is pretty much the same thing from the Saiga MK that we have. Alrighty, or the AK-104. So, that's that. Now, let's talk about the magazine a little bit. The magazine originally came with this piece of steel rod inside of it. So, what this rod did pretty much was like this, pretty much like this from right there, like this, okay? What this rod did, it allowed you to only put 10 rounds in the magazine. It's like a stopper pretty much. It holds you from putting more rounds in the gun. So if you're in a country that doesn't allow, more than, I don't know, like a specific amount of bullets, rounds in a magazine, you can put this in and there won't be an issue. But over here in Malta, regarding my licenses and stuff, my permits, I can have whatever size magazine that I wish for. It could be a 50 rounder, it could be a 100 rounder if they exist, but I know pretty much for a fact 50 rounders for this thing do exist. Shout out to Frankie on that one. 30 rounders, we removed the rod from the magazine, we removed the spring, then we just removed the stopping rod right over here, and it became a 30 round magazine as intended. Let's talk about the gun. Now, I've been waiting for this gun for a long time. Why did I want to get a Saiga-9EXP? The first time I encountered these guns was on Escape from Tarkov. They were everywhere. They were like the beginner's, the beginner's kit. Let's say the beginner's firearm to run. And I kind of like fell in love with it. Like I fell in love with the aesthetics, with the triangle stock, it just looks good. It's got a nice beefy pistol grip as well. It's got all the beautiful AK features to it. I absolutely loved this gun the moment I saw it, and that was like a few years ago. And lately I've been using it more in Tarkov, and I just fell in love with it, you know, more and more and more. We have this like meme on our Twitch channel with the, you know, with PPs and stuff like that. And you know, we talk about PPs on stream, so this is what we're really referring to, okay? So nothing else, just PPs here. So this is pretty much the, let me just put the magazine here so you can see the whole picture. There you go. So this is pretty much, a Saiga-9EXP is pretty much a civilian version of the Vityaz, okay? Now the Vityaz is a fully auto SMG, 9mm SMG for most of the Russian Special Forces. It is pretty much the MP5 of Russia. That's pretty much how big it is over there. It's pretty lightweight. I believe once the magazine, we have a magazine full here, and you know, get some optics and accessories on this thing, it'll definitely be a little bit heavier, a little bit more heftier, but I'm definitely fine with that. Let's talk about a little bit what we're going to be doing with this gun. So let's start off from these two parts here that I'm just gonna leave. You know, I love them the way they are. They feel good. They feel, you know, they're amazing. I'm gonna be leaving the stock here the way it is. I absolutely love these triangle stocks. There's something with them that I just fucking, I don't know what it is. I love it. It looks good. It looks so freaking 80s. It looks very crink. It's amazing. I'm gonna keep these this pistol grip as well. I was gonna get a Magpul MOE Plus, but I don't know, man. Like, the more I handle this gun, the more I enjoyed its feeling. So I don't want to really like get something, you know, else if I'm already enjoying the feel of this. So, you know, not really much. I'm not gonna change it pretty much. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. Up here, as you can see, it came with a Picatinny rail. Now Saiga-9s, not a Saiga-9EXP, the ordinary Saiga-9 has, I believe, it does not have a Picatinny rail, but it has a dovetail over here. This does not have a dovetail, as you can see. It does not have a dovetail over there, but it has a Picatinny rail. So for me, having a Picatinny rail up there is a huge plus. Put whatever you want on it, you're ready to go. And also the Saiga-9 has a way longer barrel. I think it's like maybe up to here, like as in length for the barrel. This one is a very short, you know, it's a Vityaz barrel pretty much. It's short and it's cute. I love it, man. The accessories. So we're gonna be getting a bunch of stuff from Zenit Co. There's gonna be a link in the description down below. They have amazing AK products. They're from Russia as well, made in Russia. We're gonna get an arcade charging handle over here, an RK2 charging handle, okay? There's like 4 RK charging handles, I believe. The RK2 charging handle is for the Vityaz or the Saiga-9. They all have, like, certain AKs have a certain shape for the charging handle, so you need to really pay attention to which one you get. And then we're gonna be getting some more Izhmash magazines. We were gonna get puff gun magazines. They're like ribbed and they got like this nice texture to it. But apparently I had an issue with my order. They couldn't send it over, so we just pretty much found another place where we're gonna get some of these magazines, the Izhmash, the Kalashnikov magazines. These ones, like the exact same. They're a little bit more money, twice as much money than the puff gun magazines. But hey, I love the way these things feel and look, so I'm just gonna go for like 5 more of these. So we'll have like 6 in total. Yeah, then we're gonna be having an EOTech XPS holographic sight right up here. That should come in about maybe 3 weeks, maybe a month tops. The Zenit parts, I believe, they're almost here. I think in a week they should definitely be here. I think probably even this week they'll probably be here of this video anyway. So what we're gonna be getting is a B12U. I think it's a B21U. There's like so many models, but it is a lower handguard that only has a Picatinny rail underneath and M-lock sort of system on the sides here. We got 2 little Picatinny rails size thingies. I'm not sure what they're called, but there's like a bunch of numbers and letters and stuff. But I'll show you guys once we get all the items and stuff. It's pretty much, you put it on the side here to mount. We're gonna get a flashlight on this thing, which is called the Clash flashlight. There's gonna be a bit of like a switch going through up here as well. It's gonna be pretty cool. We got an RK4 foregrip coming with this thing. It's a pretty short, stubby grip that is pretty cute too. I like the way it looks. It's pretty low profile. You can use it like a full-on foregrip, or just want to like C-clamp, you can do that too. It's very comfortable and it looks good too. Then we're gonna have the upper over here. This is all gonna change. I am dreading changing this thing right here because I've heard it is an absolute workout to like get this thing sorted up here with the gas tube, because it's not really a gas tube, but it's a gas tube on the Saiga-9EXP. You know, changing this thing right up here, I guess even the lower, it's gonna be a bit of a hassle, but I don't think that should be too much of an issue at the end of the day. So we're just gonna put more time into it and make it happen. So that's pretty much it. That's what we're gonna be doing with this gun. More magazines. We're keeping the pistol grip here and the stock the way they are. We're gonna get an RK2 charging handle. We're gonna get an EOTech XPS 2. We're gonna get an upper and lower and foregrip from Zenith as well. And talking about the muzzle brake or the muzzle device here, I want to get a suppressor for this thing, but in Malta we cannot have suppressors as of the time of this video. But maybe in a year, maybe 2 years, maybe 5 years, we'll be able to have suppressors. I don't think why we shouldn't have suppressors, because we live in a very small place here, and most of our gun ranges are outside. They're outdoor gun ranges, so I believe it would be better to have suppressors, because like I said, we live in a very small place, and we've heard people complaining about the gunshots, and if they live close to the range. I do live close to the range. For me, I love it. I think a suppressor, though, a no-brainer to have here, So maybe in about a few years, we'll be allowed to have a suppressor. Then, only then, I will be changing this bad boy up. But for now, I'm gonna keep it the way it is. So yeah, that's really it. If you guys are wondering what color the accessories are gonna come in, they're gonna be coming in black. It's all gonna be black. I may do something FDE with the AK-104 with the Saiga MK. I might be doing something a bit different, maybe a bit more FDE sort of stuff. And we're also getting a plate carrier from Grey Shop. It should be this week, it should be tomorrow actually. We should get a bunch of magazine pouches for this thing, a rig, because I've never had a plate carrier before. So that's gonna be pretty cool. We got all the setup going, and I cannot wait to take this into the range and have some fun with it, man. I'll be getting some more of these magazines, and then I can comfortably go to the range with, because I don't want to shoot a 30 rounder and then load a 30 rounder, then shoot the 30 rounder again and then load the 30 rounder. So I wish to go in with a few mags, load them up, and just go from one mag to the other instead of like loading each one of them every time. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Please let me know if I left anything out of the video. I'm still trying to get used to the the gun videos here. Sometimes I start baffling on something for far too long. Sometimes I got a thought that goes through my head and then it just vanishes. So I'm getting used to recording myself. Normally I stream on Twitch. If you guys want to hop on over there, dudes, you guys are more than welcome. We normally play Escape from Tarkov as well. And yeah, let me know. Let me know whatever you guys think. If you guys have any questions, hit me up. Discord, Instagram, everything is going to be down below, ladies and gentlemen. All the links that you may need. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.